Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use and set up Find My Device on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on Security and Privacy. From here, just tap on Device Finders, then tap on Find Hub. Now to enable Find My Device on your smartphone, just enable this toggle. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. And once you enable this option, you will allow this device to be located in case if it is lost or stolen. Now let's say if your Oppo phone is lost or stolen. Now to find and locate your lost Oppo phone, first of all, on any other smartphone, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then just install this app. After that, just tap on Open. Now just sign into this app using the same Gmail ID which is on your lost Oppo phone. After you sign into your Gmail ID, you will be able to locate your lost Oppo phone from here. For this feature to work, make sure to connect this device to the internet. And this is how you can use and set up Find My Device on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.